How was to be person growing up in Poland, born in 70s, in a very difficult time for the Polish country? It was already after Jews were expelled from our country. Did you know that you're Jewish when you were
No.
growing up?
No, no, I had no idea. This was not a subject. You know, it was not a subject to talk about. And it's not a subject to talk about until now. My father is so strong, traumatized that I can't talk with him about it. So to discover these roots was just, some people would say by chance or accidentally, but nothing happened by chance in life, and this I'm sure. So slowly the informations were coming, but I have no photos, I have no... actually, I don't have... when you are growing, you learn about different cultures, yeah? And I had always Jewish friends. They were always close to me and around me. But I was never thinking about this. I was not dividing, what culture, it's all interesting and that's all. But for example, when I come back now to memory, I see that my grandmother used to cook, I would say almost kosher kitchen, yeah? So she was never mixing the milk with the meat. She was doing this kind of things which we were eating challah. She was using challah, for example, for Christian holidays. So she was using challah. So it was some crazy mixture of the past and present time, And now I know what was it. How crazy she was always when my grandfather used to take some sausage and eat it and drink milk. She was always screaming, "It will kill you, it's very dangerous, it's very unhealthy," Now I know what was it, but in this time, just no memory. I travel often to Ukraine, and I see very big similarity between Poland in 70s to Ukraine now. Of course, now we have all internet, yeah, so life is completely different. But however, this big black hole in memory makes that you can't believe that some people you think they are stupid. And it's not stupidity, it's just the long distance, many generations indoctrination or just no memory, And then you don't connect the facts anymore. Yeah.
When was the first moment of your awakening in that sense that you wanted to know more? Do you remember that moment or something?
Yes, I remember this moment. This was here. I started to live in Warsaw when I was 30, like 28, and this was the first time when I had friends here. They were Jewish, and they said, come with us to synagogue." I said, "Yeah, of course, I go there." And I was so amazed by the holidays and so connected to this. And this time I had no idea really yet. But you know how is it? Even if you are in Poland Jewish and you are hidden very good, yeah, for generations, the neighbors, they remember. So the neighbors were the first one which started to talk to me because they were calling my father Jewish, Żyd. Idź do Żyda, go to the Jew, he will come, because my father is veterinary doctor. And this was making me thinking also, what's the story? Why they say like that, No, this kind of little things, nice and not nice.
Wow.
Yes, but I don't know my grandmother, the real name of her. I don't know my ancestors. I don't have any photos of them. I have only my grandmother photos and her siblings. I was trying to search for something, but they came to the area of Poland from some kind of Slovak area now, and I could not find. And maybe it's like this, that I made already such a big research about my other grandfather, which was killed at Auschwitz, that I think I'm a little bit for a moment, I need a moment of break, because all these informations, when you start to have them so late, like 70 years later, it is really, you must digest it. Somehow swallow and digest. However, I'm in a perfect moment because I'm a third generation, so this is the time to ask questions because we are emotionally enough far away, but still connected to the memory and feelings.